loud.
Yeah, they're waiting for the car.
Stay here from Grit TV. It's okay.
You know, we out here on the train, you know what I'm saying? Cutting up here, you know what I'm saying? They want to fight, cut up, you know what I'm saying? Just let them get off the train and let them bang out. Each other.
And we ain't going nowhere. Now, come on now. No, I'm coming, but I'm coming to see. Oh, shit.
I said, you got over there. I thought somebody else said, what?
Can y'all go? I got to work, man.
I know, there's some action to keep the train moving, man. Y'all.
And we move right there, get the bread point.
I know, they ain't even doing it. If ain't no action, keep the train moving.
I ain't lying. You're not going to run on the train, so keep it moving. You come back. Are you going to pay for my bus fare?
I know that this bus is about to stop running because of that.
I got to go one of y'all numbers.
They opened up that door.
They're coming. They ain't here yet, but they're coming.
Damn, he just rat.
He made this thing.
Yeah, we got stuck in the train.
There he is. He just left.
Oh, thank God.
Stop just left.
Open the door. Excuse me.
Thank you. Yeah, the way this dude right here telling the dude right there, he said, I'll help you out.
Sitting up in bridge. They ain't getting out here. Damn, why y'all want to go out?
Get a body job.
I'm the other guy.
What if I did with you? No, it was before. Yeah, you want to play that.
White against white? Oh, that's what they are. Puerto Rican? Get them up. What's they get back? Yeah. We'll get it out. I'm not playing. Come on. Come on, now.
What you say, kid?
No wonder they want to fight them kids. Man, them man, that thing was thick, kid.
Yeah.
They won't want them old ladies. Yeah, no, they too little. Old lady was thick as fuck, yo.
Did you get them, baby? Did you get them? Good.
Put his face.
Yeah.
Holler me. Website.
As soon as I get in the yard.
They not about to go through no type of phone.
Okay,
What?
I got my money. I need to leave.
Robin? Why I gotta turn my phone on? I ain't doing nothing. This is legal. I ain't doing nothing.
Why you on my train up when
Because they turn my phone on. This is legal, bro.
Shit, I grab them here. Yeah, I grab them here.
Let me see something.
I got to go, they playing,
I'm gonna miss my bus. Not for these hoes. No. They want to get down? Get down. Not for these hours, let's go. I got
They
to go.
gonna try to come after us.
Shit.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
Cigarette. Damn it.
I don't want to big also. I want a cigarette.
It's me. I'm raising hell.
They won't let us get off the cigarette.
Can we get off this fucking cigarette?
Can we get off the cigarette? They got some dick from me. Don't fight over a dick.
Huh? What time soon? Soon, we've been sitting here long enough.
Don't fight over a dick.
We missing the real fight, man. Shane Mosley and Pacquiao. That's what I'm saying.
Another one? Shit.
You could have got it from me.
Busy.
No problem.
Here we come out.
Get my girlfriend on the train.
Where is she?
She didn't want to come. She's beautiful. She didn't want to come.
That's because she didn't want to get involved.
She didn't want to come.
Good ass for the same time.
I don't think them young
Oh, she over there freezing.
Them young ones can't handle them old ones. Get them out of here.
Stay ya. Papa, hold on, all y'all. Assholes.
Police gonna say turn my camera up. It's legal.
I want damn camera.
Yeah, it's legal. You ain't hear him? He talking about turn the camera off. This legal.
Don't fight over the kid. They could have got mine. Got enough for everybody out there.
Get the camera on that broken man too. Oh, because that's all they get. I'm gonna say you don't lose your damn mind. Bitches. I ain't moving from shit. Now go get your mammy, tell her to come on back, and then I won't move with her. I'm gonna kick her ass off too. Shit. Overcharging me. I should have been in Bridgeport already. Have my damn change.
Now look it right, kid.
Yeah. We would have been a little riot up on it. Hell yeah, right there.
Right. Lay that motherfucker out. Lay that bitch out. I should have went up. Shit.
All you saw was this. You gonna do all this. Y'all 5 deep. One person holding y'all. One person holding 5 people. That means you don't want to fight.
Come on.
How can one person hold 5 people?
Not a goddamn soul.
You don't want to fight.
Hell no. You're afraid you're going to get your own ass kicked.
One person hold 5 people.
And as Bill can say, this fat both must fast at the same time.
Just look at that one in Chicago, kid. Chicago kid. He didn't show a bitch too.
And Miami ain't no joke.
Hold it straight up, kid.
Miami ain't no joke.
They look at that one shot.